Alright, so we got another breakdown on Nice Bus. 1938 was on the N6 or the 24, if I remember, because it's actually the 6 because, no, it was the 24, because I was going from my grandparents' house, dropping off the newspaper to taking this, walking down from 186th Street to this location, when this bus, 1938, I'm going a little back because I don't want the supervisor to see me. He says that I noticed that the suspension was, the bus was really acting really weird because apparently the driver of that bus, 1957, I did see that bus break down on the day when I did that running event for Jackie Henderson, or was it 1954? I don't remember. One of those two buses. What happened was that the left side was tilted so higher than the right side, and you can definitely hear the buses, the air coming out of that bus. So the hazard lights. The cones are out, the hazard lights on. You know this guy ain't gonna go anywhere soon. So, and you know that this bus is gonna be towed back to Mitchell Field. And this is the problem with Nice Bus. When you only have one depot to maintain the buses, then it becomes a problem. And this is exactly what I mean when you have no maintenance on Nice. And I'm sorry to say, welcome to the new year. You saw my video last week with the Westchester B line having issues, and now Nice Bus, well, I'm here. It's not on its best behavior. So there is your breakdown, because there is no maintenance on Nice. Thanks for watching this brief video from Hillside Avenue, 169th Street.